So this is my school project. I will be doing Harissa.
All right, so my son has a science project, and it's basically he has to show how chemicals change with baking. So actually, I'm letting him help me with the harissa. As you can see, I use the same measuring cup for everything, and we've got all of the ingredients in here. Now I just have to put the baking soda and the baking powder, which I'm gonna be letting Khattab say hi. I'm gonna let him do the mixing and putting it into the. Showed him how to measure properly using that little straight edge. See, that's how you get an exact 1 teaspoon. Go ahead, put it in, and now use the half teaspoon to get half teaspoon of the baking. This is what the batter looks like. It's thick. It's supposed to be thick like this. And now we're ready to spray the mini tin, the muffin tin, with cooking spray just so they don't stick. And I'm gonna let him put slivered almonds on top of each one, and we're gonna be using the cookie scoop so they're all the same size. I'm just showing him how to do the first one, and then you've got to do the rest. Come on. Scrape this side so they're all equal, huh? Okay. Good job. Now finish the rest of the tray. Picture, and I just want to show you how small they are, and they're so delicious.